Midland is going out of this world. A space radar company now has an operating facility here in the Basin.
The city of Midland gave that company the okay to build their site, which would help protect satellites that are in outer space. News West 9's Jolena Okazaki explains.
I will open the Midland Space Radar.
There we go.
Woo! All right.
It's a new addition to the City of Midland's space industry.
When you're working on with a pen and paper to design something like this, it's easy to forget about how difficult it is to make it happen in real life.
They call it the Midland Space Radar.
When we went out there looking for our next radar site, we discovered that Midland had already been working in the space industry, so it was really important for us to be plugged in with a team like that.
Leo Labs is the company behind the radar. The site is located about 80 miles west of the city.
We're looking for remote sites, middle of nowhere.
Now, the reason why this site is in a remote area is so it doesn't have too much human interference near the city. Now, construction began in October and was fully operational in February. And the cool thing is the radar can actually detect about 1,000 satellites and pieces of space debris in an hour. It also tracks astronauts at the International Space Station.
It's a service that's critical for the industry, and there were no companies out there doing it. So we're the first to market with this debris tracking data and satellite tracking data.
But how exactly does it work? First, the radar emits radio waves into space.
And the reflector focuses the energy up into the sky.
The waves bounce off debris in low Earth orbit satellites. These are the satellites that provide services for things like digital maps, internet access, or cell phone use. Once the waves bounce off the debris in satellites, the radar collects the data, and that data is used to calculate if the debris will collide with the satellite.
Objects like this can completely destroy your satellite or put it out of commission.
The company hopes to branch out and have more radar sites around the globe. But for now, Midland will be on their radar.
And it's critical that we protect those satellites and also the low Earth orbit environment, keep it free of debris. And so Midland's going to be a foundational piece of that. Thank you to the City of Midland and the Midland Development Corporation.
Jolena Okazaki, News West 9.
Now, the Midland Development Corporation approved the $60,000 promotional agreement back in September. It's over a 5-year term.